Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5070773, because of this error, that is 0x800f081f or 0x80070005. Now before you try any troubleshootings, you can retry. So when the update fails, if you see retry option, hit retry and then check. If that does not work, restart your computer once, and after the system restart you can try to update. Still not working, the next step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update and then hit pause, and once pause, resume updates. And once this is done, check. Still not working, the next step is to start these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find App Readiness, make a double click on App Readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on App Readiness and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now check, still not working. The next step is to run these scans. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, and make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one and run. So copy this command, the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and let the scan complete. Once the scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So copy the second command, paste it over here, and once the second scan is 100% complete, now run the third scan. So copy this third command, paste it over here, and once the third scan is 100% complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here write down the name of the update, that is KB5070773, and then click on search. Now you have to check your version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command, and in my case it's version 25H2, and then check the system type. So go to system and then go to about option, and then check the system type. For me is 64-bit operating system. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download, and then on this screen click on KB5070773, click on it, and you can install this. Once the download is complete, click on it and you can install this update manually, and then restart your computer, and then you can check. Still not working. Next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer, and after the system restart you will see the repair version of 25H2 or repair version of 24H2, whichever version you have. Once this is done, now you can try to update to Windows 11 and then check. Still not working, use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. On this website you will see media creation tool. So scroll down, here you can see media creation tool, click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. When you run this exe file, click on accept, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once the download is complete, click on finish, and do not close this manually. It will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked, and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can try to update. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.